In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Notion. By the end, you'll have a live Canva design sitting neatly inside your Notion page, so you can view it without switching tabs. This is quick, clean, and works great, whether you're organizing a project hub, a mood board, or a presentation outline. Start inside Canva with the design you want to show in Notion. Look up to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the options that appear, choose Embed. This is important because Embed is what prepares a link that Notion can display as a live preview, rather than just a static file or a simple hyperlink. You might see other share choices like download or share a link, but for this workflow, stick with Embed. When the Embed panel opens, copy the Smart Embed link. Do not copy the HTML embed code. The HTML code is meant for websites that accept HTML snippets, while the Smart Embed link is a regular URL that Notion can recognize and render automatically. A quick way to double-check you've got the right one is to make sure you see a standard link, not a block of code with angle brackets. With that link copied, switch to your Notion page. Click where you want the design to appear and simply paste the link. Notion will detect it and offer options. Select Embed. That tells Notion to create a live, embedded block from the link rather than just leaving it as plain text. Give it a few moments to load. The preview may take a short while, depending on your connection and the size of the design. Once it appears, you'll see your Canva content right in the page. You can drag the block's edges to resize it, reposition it among other blocks, and keep your workspace tidy and readable. The best part is that it stays in sync with the original design in Canva, so updates you make there are reflected here without any extra steps. If you don't see the preview right away, it's usually due to one of a few common causes. The wrong type of link was copied, the embed is still loading, or workspace settings limit embeds from external tools. Keeping the Smart Embed link and giving it a moment typically solves it. Also, consistency helps. Use the same browser or app you trust for Notion to ensure a stable connection. And that's all. Open your Canva design, share and choose Embed, copy the Smart Embed link, paste it into Notion, select Embed, wait a moment, and you're done. A simple, reliable way to keep your visuals and your notes together.